What's going on, guys? So it is actually 2 o'clock in the afternoon and looking to see if we possibly get a breakout here to the upside. And right now, the market kind of a triple bottom down here. I'm going to jump in. We got right here at this pivot point. I want to see if we can get through this pivot point. The dollar is selling off. I'm going to jump in long here. I think we're going to go. So we're going to jump in right here at the 84 level and see if we can't get this push up through the 90s and try to retest this high right here. So right now we're looking at the 5-minute chart, giving you guys a little bit bigger picture of what we're looking at here in terms of this breakout. So we basically have the high on this candle, 87. The high on that candle right there, also 87. And we're getting very tight here. You can see starting to push up already. So I want to see a sweet push through the 90s here. So we basically have this triple bottom setup right there, right? Triple bottom, kind of holding this big move down today on the Nasdaq, pulling down. We're finally starting to push back up here and starting to look like we might be kind of consolidating and kind of hanging out at this level for a little bit more time. There's a pivot point right there at the 85 level there. 86 is pivot point. So what I basically want to see happen is to see this kind of push up and take out this high here, get through this 85 level, and then try to get up here 95s or more. So that's kind of what we're looking at. We might pull back here. I probably could have been a little bit more patient, but I think this is a good opportunity to get this push through this pivot point there. As long as we basically hold here at the 80s, we should try to push through this high up there at the 88s or so. The ES is looking good, like it wants to push. The Nasdaq also showing strength here. And as long as we can kind of hold here at the 80s, we should try to push up here towards that 900 level one more time and kind of test up into here. So we've got basically, you know, holding here. We didn't break below this low candle right there as well. So that 55 area holding, and we stopped right there at 58s and now turning back up. So this has potential to get a nice little push back up, maybe 910 or so, 900 level. And that's what I'm looking. Right now, we're looking here at the Lux Algo price action concepts. This is actually a new updated version of it. And we're looking to see if we get this breakout through this pivot point there, through the pivot point, and break through these highs on these candles here, and looking for this move up. So currently long, looking for this push up. This is the 5-minute chart we're looking at right here. And I would like to see a quick push. Give me 10 points, baby. Give me 10 points through this 87 level. And let's go straight up here to the 900 or so. So. Know what I mean? So. Let's go. Through the 890s, straight up there to the 900s. We just need to push. The dollar right now pulling back. Need that dollar to pull back. Dollar pulls back through that kind of where it's at right now. We don't want the dollar putting in a higher low here. So we kind of want this to go straight up. Dollar pull back. Nasdaq push up here in the 900s. And we look to take profit. I'll be looking to take profit like up for this push here. This could, I mean, get some legs on it here end of day. Maybe even push up to like a higher area like 940, that overnight low. So the overnight low is at 940 there. That might actually be doable as well, but I don't want to be greedy here. Just looking to see if we can get through the 90s. My stop here at the 73s. The hourly setup, kind of 906s, 907 level to push back up as well. So we will see here what happens. We're back above the 14 EMA there, that blue line, 14 EMA here on the chart. And my target area up here, 906s or so. And trying to push here. You can see here on the 1-minute chart now, just kind of sitting right there at the pivot points. Got this trend line that just popped up there. There we go. Through the 90s now. Beautiful. Let's go straight up here, baby. Just get me in and out. Let's make this video nice and short and sweet. 4 minutes in and out, baby. Looking for 900 push here. I think this 904, 5 area, very doable to push back up. You can see on the Quant Tower platform here, 5-minute chart, very easy looking setup. Let's see where she goes. Let's see where we go here. We're up 10 points right now, looking good. Want to be patient. This could be a nice little reversal through that 900 level and then up into here, kind of our target. So I want to be patient and let it do its thing. You know, I don't need to take profit just yet. As I say that, it pulls back and stops me out. But hey, we're gonna be patient. I can basically move my stop up now. Remember, this is the 5-minute chart, so I'm going to move my stop to break even now. We can't lose, obviously. Actually, I'm going to move it to like right there. We are long here. All right, so we're long from 84. We're basically going to get at least 1 point out of this, just to make sure we cover our commissions at least, and see if we can't go just a little bit more. Now the dollar is starting to push back up, so this could be bad for us. I kind of want to see this candle closing above that 90 level there. I want to get it back above there, especially on the 1-minute chart. I want these 90 area to start turning into support, pushing us back up here. We got the breakout, a little bit of a pullback. That's good. That's good. All right. Beautiful. Let's do it. Let's go here. If we can get through this wick here, get through these sellers, it'll be a nice push up here, 900s. There we go. There we go. All right. Breaking out here. Beautiful. I'm going to move my stop up just right here to the high of these candles. 89 from the basically guarantee we lock in 5 points. But I want to see if we can't get through. Let's at least get to test that 900 level here. Kind of right in the middle there. 900s, 95s. Beautiful. We already kind of pushed up there. We're at the top of this candle again. So we just need this breakout right here. 1-minute chart showing that breakout potential through the high of this candle right there being 95, 25. And then I don't see how we don't test 99s at least. Dollar's pulling back. 95's pushing. Beautiful. All right. This is what we want to see happen. Let's go right to that 99 level. And we might be able to lock in profit there. Let's see. It's so funny looking at the 1-minute chart and then switching back over to the 5-minute chart. Totally different scenario, right? Looks a lot more bullish looking at the 5-minute chart right now compared to looking at this. You're like, oh, it's not going. But hey, 5-minute chart showing strength. So we're focused on the 5-minute chart here. Up there are the 97s now. Let's go for that 900 push. Beautiful move here. Like I said, triple bottom down there. Everything lining up beautifully. Everything perfectly lining up there. 5-minute breakout there. Back above the 14 EMA. I think at this point we're looking pretty. So we just need to get through this level here, 900s, and then we should have no problem going up into the 905s. So right now it is currently 2:14 in the afternoon here. All right, I'm moving my stop up to guarantee at least 10 points. I don't want to give back anything more than that. I can always re-enter, but we guarantee 10 points here. Let's be patient. See if we can get all the way. Trading 15 contracts. We're up 4,000. We're going. We're going. Take me all the way, baby. Trying to get it right through there. Let's go. It's got to push, push, push. Push, push, push. I'm going to move this. If this does not go, I'm going to just go make sure I take my profit there because we said we would take. I'm going to make sure I at least lock in 10 points here. So it's either got to push right through here or we're going to get out. There she's going, trying to push. I'm going to move my stop right there to the low of that candle, 97 now. There we go. We got filled. It's not bad. I'll take it. So I don't want to get denied there at 900. We're either going to pop straight through 900 there or, well, we're going to run into some trouble. So showing you guys the breakout setup here. using the 1 minute chart with the Lux Algo indicator obviously over here, but then really focusing more on the price action once I'm in the trade, more on the 5 minute chart. It's something that I knew that I've been doing, 5 minute, 3 minute, 15 minute, really just trying to look at the bigger picture instead of just like every little candle. Like if I'm looking at the 1 minute chart only, you know, sometimes I really just like, I get caught up. I'm like, oh man, you know, oh man, I don't know, you just get caught up in it, and I don't want to get caught up in it. So let's see what happens here. If we get this push to the 900s, might be another opportunity to see if we can go to the 20s, but I'll take my profit right there and lock it in. So easy peasy, mac and cheesy, baby. All right, there we go.